A way to make your videos better is add a little bit of music. I like to study with music, I like to clean with music, I love music. Now, one thing that happens is you add music, but it's too loud. So the person can't hear you and the music is taking over. You want the music to be low, behind the scenes so people can hear you. So I'm gonna teach you how to add music in CapCut and you can just have a field day with it. We're gonna go ahead and open up CapCut and choose a video. After I choose my video, I'm getting ready to add some music to it. I'm gonna click audio, sounds, and then I'll have options of what I want to choose. The options are endless. I'm gonna just pick a song so that you can just see what's happening for yourself. I click the song and then now it's there. You see it down below the actual video. And with this, I can do a couple things. I can click on it and I can adjust the volume. This is important in case the volume is louder than the video, or if you have a video that has no volume and you want to make it even louder, you can do that. You see now, I can go down to the end and I can actually split and take out the extra audio. I don't want any extra audio in it. If I go to the beginning, I can go ahead and even fade it. This is cool so that your music doesn't come in like blaring, it comes in soft, and that when you fade out, it doesn't just stop with the video, it fades out nice and easy, nice and smooth. You can repeat this process over and over again, export it, and now you have some music with your video.